Go ahead.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah. I have the vision. I know what I can do. Just follow me, I guess. We gotta find the pieces to put it together. Think this Taylor? Ain't she in hot water?
Mm-hmm.
T-Sizzle.
T-Swizzle and hot water, y'all. We were just talking about her.
That September is pretty bad. I get what she's trying to do with the banjo and slowing it down. This time you don't have the complexion for the protection.
You're not covering, you're appropriating.
It's not good. I mean, you're getting attention, so.
But you're canceled. Here we've got our Ryobi
generator, that's a 2200 watt one, yeah.
So we've been having an issue where our outlet cover will sink into its little pocket right there because there was no nut put on the inside screw that holds it in there. We paid to have this repaired at Home Depot, and I specifically asked them, like, what's the warranty on you guys' work? Because they didn't put a nut on it, or I guess just didn't put it on there tight enough, because it could have vibrated off.
Yeah. I wonder if that's a defect, because we took it in for that repair.
Right, and we're having the same issue
again. So that might be something that happened.
Because we really only been using this one for about 8 months total. If you look at our 6 months that we've been using it on this particular RV, and then we use it for about 2 months in Mississippi on the purple bus. What Denise found at Home Depot.
The machines.
That should match it up exactly. We even screwed it through the bag to make sure.
Should have put a washer on here too to help lock it in place, but whatever. Alright, so I need my Phillips head screwdriver and just pliers just to hold it in place. We are in there like somewhere secure. It's not going through. Now we can put this back on here. When we go to plug in our power cord to power the whole RV, we won't get all that revving up.
This is a pretty good generator in terms of sound and quietness. No louder than like if we were to have the RV started and running. Yay for DIY repairs. Yes. And not another $50.
Heck yeah. Man, it was actually that simple. I could have did it initially. I just didn't know what happens when you took this faceplate off.
Right.
And I wasn't in the mood to figure it out. We're in there like somewhere now. This is solid as a rock.
Great job, baby.